Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will learn how to make a very simple weight gain recipe. This is for you and I who want to become fat or add a little bit of weight. It is the best if you have been struggling to add even a few kilos. If you are ready, let's go into it. We will need oats. Yes, oats can also be used for weight loss depending on how you actually use it because it contains a lot of nutrients. So we will not boil our oats. Rather, we will blend it as raw as it comes. I'm going to use yogurt to blend our smoothie. For me, I'm using vanilla flavored yogurt, but it is advisable you use plain yogurt, and you can also use milk, that is full cream milk, not milk that has been processed, those that are used to actually lose weight. So you can use full milk. We'll also use apples. So you'll definitely you need apples, which is optional, as you can use avocados, pineapples, banana, or any other fruits that are available or are at your disposal. To sweeten our smoothie, I'll add honey, but you can use sugar or syrup depending with your personal preference. We will also be using peanut butter. You can use any brand that you get in supermarkets or shops around you. Peanut butter is high in calories, and I'm simply using what I have at home. I'm super excited about and super happy because you and I are about to have that killer body and we are going to get it overnight. So you'll also need your blender, any brand, no specific brand that I'd recommend because all of them, as long as it's a functional blender, you are good to go. So you'll pour in your ingredients also in no particular order, just the way you'd love them to go in one by one. I've started with the oats, then I go in with the apples. And as we do this in our with using our different ingredients, remember to be consistent with taking this smoothie. Don't use it once and say it did not work. So use it as frequent as you can. So go in with everything. I've done the oats, I've done the apples, I've done the yogurt. As I said, I used vanilla flavored yogurt, but you can use plain yogurt, you can use a plain milk, depending with how you want it. So for my honey, I've actually gone with half what I had prepared so that it's not too sweet. And I've also scooped 2 spoons of peanut butter. I can say you can, I don't know, let me know in the comment section what you do with your peanut butter so that it moves from from the spoon smoothly, because for this I had to use another spoon to move it downwards. So after you have all your ingredients, you'll go ahead and blend everything together. Remember, this smoothie works magic, but you must be consistent and very faithful to it. It is best taken at night when you are about to sleep or rest. You can also take it 2 times a day, that is in the morning and at night, depending with how much you actually can take in. For me, I take it in the morning because it is the time when I have time, but I also try in the evening on times when I actually get the time to blend all this, because in the evening I'm tired after work. So I take mine in the morning, but I'd advise you take it in the evening before you go to sleep. So I'm blending everything in, as you can see, everything going in together. For me, I wanted something very thick, that's why I used yogurt. You can also add a little bit of water so that it is at least very smooth when you blend it well, as in blend it until it is very smooth. So if this is your first time on this channel, welcome. I hope you enjoy this and I hope you are feeling at home. So that is my very thick smoothie, just the way I wanted it. It has come out very perfectly the way I wanted it. So feel at home. I love you guys. Remember to subscribe because I will be bringing you more smoothie recipes, more ways to add weight, and for those who want to lose weight, and many more life hacks. Thank you for watching today's video. Bye, guys.